Hello, this is section 1.24 from section 1.4. In this checkpoint, they want us to find the inverse function and find the domain and range. So let's first identify the domain here, because that's quite easy, because all we have to do is take a look at the denominator, and we can't have the denominator equal to 0. So let's say domain of f, and this is f, this f function is going to be the set of real numbers such that, let's just say, x is not equal to 2. Okay, so that's your domain for this, which means it's going to end up being the range of f inverse. And we need to change the domain and range with the x and the y, so we'll say y does not equal to 2. Okay, so we'll keep that, and to find the range of this, we actually did it a couple of sections ago, and what we needed to do is we need to solve for x, but that's what we need to do to find the inverse. So let's make a note for ourselves, say that we're going to solve for x, or switch x and y and solve for y, depending on how you do it. So for right now, solve for x, and then switch the variables. Okay, so that's the general process for finding the inverse. And we're going to do this where we're going to multiply both sides by x minus 2. So we're going to get an x minus 2 times y is equal to 3x. And then we'll distribute. We're going to get xy minus 2y is equal to 3x. We're going to gather, we want to solve for x, so we're going to gather all the x's together. So it'll be xy minus 3x, and we'll put the 2y over back to the other side, and it'll become positive, and we'll factor out an x. Okay, and so we'll just put that here. We will get divide by 3 of y minus 3, so x is going to equal to 2y divided by y minus 3. And from here, we'll see that we don't want 3 for the denominator. Oh, let's take this last step here. So this is step 1. And step 2, switch to x and y. So we're going to have y is equal to, switch to x and y, 2x, x minus 3. Or we can write now f inverse of x is equal to 2x divided by x minus 3. All right, so now from here you can see that we cannot have 3. Your domain of f inverse is going to be the set of all x real numbers such that x does not equal to 3. And then we wrote the range earlier. Range of f inverse will be all the y values such that y does not equal to 2. Okay, so this is it, and I think that's good. Hope that helps.